Welcome to Terp MechTalks. I'm Sami Alani, your host. I am a co-director of undergraduate studies for the Mechanical Engineering Department at the University of Maryland. And today we are delighted to be joined by Donna Williams, Senior Project Manager at the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Let's start with your academic journey. How do you feel the University of Maryland degree helped you in your career?
Well, thank you, and thank you for inviting me here today. This is really great to be talking with you. I didn't know exactly what field I wanted to go into when I graduated, and that's why I chose mechanical engineering. I feel like it's more broad. Most of my career has been as a project manager, and in that role I see the whole plant. You know, you see all the systems, mechanical systems, electrical systems, the reactor core. You need to really have a little bit of understanding of all of them, and I feel like mechanical engineering gives you that, you know, broad-based background where you're able to understand engineering concepts in other areas, even if that's not, you know, your specific goals.
How was networking important in your career, and what tips would you give our students?
I'm not very good at, you know, networking, I guess, in what I envision it to be, but I'm a big believer in building relationships. I would say my advice would be, every time you have an opportunity to volunteer, always say yes, because once you demonstrate your competence, people will know. And every time you have an opportunity, every time something comes up, I would volunteer and say, yes, I'll do that, because that's what they want to see. You know? But as far as your networking outside of the NRC, and even when I was the professional organizations, when I was in college, I was a member of the Society of Women Engineers, did a little bit with ASME, and at the NRC, I was very much involved in the American Nuclear Society. So that's where you'll interact with, you know, other government employees, but also, you know, the industry. There's always student groups within all these organizations, and I met a lot of people there and learned a lot of new things.
Donna, thank you very much. I think you sharing your insight experiences is very valuable, and I'm sure it's going to inspire a lot of our students. And thank you again for taking the time and joining us today.
Oh, thank you.